I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and in this episode we're going to talk about cooking healthier foods for the 2024. I'm going to share a quick guide to flavorful and nutritious culinary adventures in just a few points, and I think that I'll be able to help you with some decision making. As we enter 2024, maintaining a healthy lifestyle remains a top priority for many individuals. One of the critical components of a well-balanced lifestyle is a nutritious diet. And cooking healthier food contributes to physical well-being and enhances overall happiness and vitality. In this episode, I want to share some innovative and practical tips to help you prepare delicious and health-conscious meals in the comfort of your home. Let's begin with number 1. Choose whole, fresh ingredients. And pretty much we all agree with that, right? Choosing the right ingredient is the key to a healthy meal. Don't compromise on your health by settling for low-quality ingredients. Always opt for nutritious ingredients to give you and your body the fuel that it needs to thrive. Aim for whole and unprocessed foods such as fresh vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and all sorts of legumes. These items are packed with nutrients and fiber, forming a sturdy foundation for a well-rounded diet. Number 2 on my list is embrace plant-based cooking. Consider incorporating more plant-based ingredients into your meals. I know it's not that easy to do. Many people, as you know, are jumping on the plant-based diet train because they are discovering all the excellent health benefits that it provides. Experiment with colorful vegetables, again with legumes and whole grains to create hearty and satisfying dishes. Such changes, let's call them diets, are also environmentally friendly, helping to reduce your carbon footprint. Number 3 on my list, be mindful of cooking techniques. How you cook can significantly impact the nutritional value of your meal. Always opt for cooking methods such as steaming, roasting, grilling, and sautéing, in that order if you can, which will retain the natural flavors and the nutrients of the ingredients. Try to avoid deep frying and excessive use of inexpensive oils. All of these can add senseless calories and saturated fats that we don't need. Instead, on number 4, use healthy fats for flavor. It's important to limit unhealthy fats. By using healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or coconut oil in moderation can improve flavor and nutrition. Consider adding nuts, seeds, and avocados to salads and dishes for a satisfying crunch and a dose of healthy fats. Number 5. Experiment with herbs and spices. I know that all of you, in one way or another, do that. Use herbs and spices in your cooking. But I'm suggesting for you to upgrade your dishes by adding spices and herbs that are different. And you can elevate your meal while improving your health by incorporating ingredients that offer both depth and complexity of flavors and a multitude of healthy benefits. Take advantage of the opportunity to elevate your cooking and improve your well-being. And experimenting with herbs that are not of part of your ethnic group may be also the way to go. I'm sure using basil, cilantro, thyme, and spices such as turmeric, cumin, and cinnamon. But there are hundreds more, especially in a Middle Eastern cuisine or in African cuisine, to take advantage of. They can all add flavors without the need for excessive use of salt or sugar. Both ingredients we should be mindful of. Number 6. Be mindful of portion control. Portion control is crucial even with the healthiest ingredients. And did you know that controlling your serving sizes is critical to maintain a healthy diet and perhaps avoiding overeating? Be mindful of how much you consume at each meal, and you'll be on your way to a healthy lifestyle in no time. Use smaller plates, smaller bowls, and utensils. All of them can create the illusion of a fuller plate, helping you control portion sizes and maintain a decent weight. Under number 7, I'm suggesting to incorporate superfoods. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that offer exceptional health benefits. So include ingredients like quinoa, chia seeds, kale, blueberries, and salmon in your meals to boost your nutrition content, and introduce a variety of flavors and texture that you may not be familiar with, and it's a walk away from your routine. Number 8. It doesn't have much to do with food, but it's called hydration. Remember the importance of staying hydrated. Water, as you know, is crucial for maintaining good health and can significantly manage the weight. So, infuse water with all types of citrus fruits, cucumbers, and when in season, some fresh mint will do the job. Number 9, it's a technical, and it's called plan and prep ahead. Busy schedules often lead to unhealthy food choices. Combat this by planning your meals and prepping ingredients in advance. When healthy options are easily accessible, adhering to your nutritional objective becomes simpler. Cooking, it can be fun, but it can also be stressful. So planning ahead and make it a fun thing to do for you and your family, it's a must. Number 10, and the last one on this suggestion for 2024, enjoy the process. Dear listeners, cooking should be an enjoyable and creative experience. Experiment with new recipes, flavors, and cooking techniques to keep things interesting. Find joy in creating nourishing meals that fuels your body and satisfy, ultimately, your taste buds. And as we enter 2024, you can take charge of your dietary habits by making conscious decisions and incorporating various nourishing ingredients I listed above. Experience the satisfaction of creating nourishing meals that tantalize your taste. And let's make this year memorable by indulging in delicious, well-balanced, and gratifying cuisine. I will do my part on my end in my kitchens here at my cooking schools, and I hope you do the same. In the meantime, stay well and eat well. This is the end of our podcast. We'll reconnect on the next round. I'll have on the show notes all the necessary links for all the business that we offer and all the things that you need to know. Stay well. Ciao, ciao.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.